Are you looking for the best treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the best treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NordicTrack Commercial Series 1250. The NordicTrack Commercial Series 1250 is a powerhouse treadmill designed to elevate your workout experience. With a 30-day iFit family membership included, you gain access to a variety of live and on-demand workouts, courtesy of elite trainers who can even adjust your equipment for a personalized touch. The 14-inch interactive HD touchscreen immerses you in the iFit experience, streaming workouts directly to your treadmill and offering easy stat tracking. Equipped with a smart response motor, this treadmill ensures effective running and cardio training. The -3 to 15% one-touch incline control and 12 mph smart one-touch speed control allow for versatile and challenging workouts. Your iFit trainer takes charge, automatically adjusting speed and incline to meet their requirements and simulate real-world terrains. Number 2. Studio Series Advanced Training Treadmills. The Studio Series Advanced Training Treadmills offer a cutting-edge solution for fitness enthusiasts seeking a high-performance exercise experience. This treadmill comes equipped with essential components, including a console, 2 uprights, power cord, and a hardware pack that neatly organizes all bolts and tools, ensuring a hassle-free assembly process. Constructed with a blend of durable aluminum and plastic materials, this treadmill boasts a sturdy build while remaining lightweight. Designed for exercise and fitness running, the Studio Series Advanced Training Treadmills are tailored to meet the demands of intense training sessions. The inclusion of shock-absorbing 3-zone variable response cushioning enhances the overall comfort of the workout, reducing impact on joints and providing a smoother running experience. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or a fitness enthusiast, this treadmill is engineered to elevate your training routine to new heights, combining durability, performance, and ergonomic design for an optimal exercise solution. Number 3. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. The Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill is a game-changer when it comes to home fitness equipment. Its innovative design offers 2 modes to cater to different sports needs. When the riser is folded, it functions as a jogging machine with a speed range of 0.6 mph to 2.5 mph. On the other hand, when the handrail is raised, the running speed extends to 0.6 mph to 7.5 mph. The speed unit can be conveniently switched between miles and kilometers using the accompanying app. Powered by a robust 2.25 HP motor, this treadmill ensures a quiet and disturbance-free workout experience, making it suitable for both home and office use. The sturdy steel frame and multi-layer shield design contribute to shock absorption and noise reduction, creating a safer and more comfortable running environment. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Premium Treadmill. The Sunny Health and Fitness Premium Treadmill offers a cutting-edge exercise experience with its innovative features. The double-deck technology ensures a stable running surface, enhanced by an integrated shock absorption system and a cushion design for maximum comfort. This design provides unparalleled support for low-impact training, making it ideal for users seeking a gentler workout. With 12 incline levels ranging from 0 to 12%, users can effortlessly achieve their fitness goals and elevate their workouts with the auto incline button. The versatility of incline options allows for a challenging session tailored to individual preferences and fitness levels. Real-time heart rate tracking is a standout feature that maximizes workout efficacy. By monitoring your heart rate during exercise, you can maintain optimal intensity, aligning your effort with your fitness aspirations for a more targeted and effective workout. Number 5. Schwinn Fitness 810 Treadmill. The Schwinn Fitness 810 Treadmill is a top-notch exercise machine that offers a dynamic and engaging workout experience. With its Explore the World subscription, users can virtually traverse more than 50 global routes, as the treadmill automatically adjusts to match the terrain in real time, providing an immersive and varied running experience. Equipped with a blue backlit LCD display, the treadmill boasts 16 workout programs and accommodates 2 user profiles, ensuring versatility and customization. The 10% motorized incline adds a challenging dimension to your workout, simulating uphill terrain for a more intense session. The spacious 20-inch by 55-inch running path, coupled with the SoftTrack cushioning system, delivers a smooth and comfortable run, minimizing impact on joints. The treadmill's speed can reach up to 10 mph, catering to users with diverse fitness goals.